Hi Shashank, good morning. How was the sprint for you?
Hello, good morning. It was a bit overwhelming for me.
Sorry to hear that. But your planned tickets seem to be a usual workload.
Yes, but I have been getting a lot of unplanned tickets in the last few sprints. In fact, I just got two ad hoc tickets yesterday, and today is the last day of the sprint.
I agree. Last moment priority ad hocs can be really challenging.
I wish there was a way to predict stress levels based on assigned tickets before we start the sprint.
Hey, good morning. I check Atlassian's marketplace and I did not find any app that solves your problem.
So let's create an AI based burnout prediction app for our Jira board.
Sure.
Introducing Sprint Pulse, an AI app for Jira board that predicts team members' burnout and prioritizes employee mental health. As we did not get any open source data set, we had to create a synthetic data and train a baseline model for a pilot using random forest algorithm for burnout classification and fine tune it with a grid search algorithm. There is not much work done on this front, and organizations having stores of data can get state of the art datasets and train better models for precise results.
We can install the Sprint Pulse from the above URL, and you can also get the app for your Jira board. This is how a typical project looks like on Jira. We can see multiple widgets showing statuses about sprints, including the workload distribution among the team members. Currently, we have 3 team members on this board. We also use a similar board that shows the current tickets of ongoing sprint and then the story points of each ticket. Also, for the ticket that were picked up after the sprint begins are tagged as ad hoc in the labels. We already have Sprint Pulse application installed here. You will notice it does a basic fetch of data and provides results. We primarily use data from the last 3 sprints to make current sprint predictions. The factor consists of number of tickets, total story points, and more complex fields like the days on which ad hoc tickets were assigned during the sprint. The AI model in response gives prediction in 4 categories: no burnout, hardly likely, likely, and definitely. Definitely being the most concerning, and no burnout is the least concerning. For all the 3 team members that are on the board, this is the prediction. And for me, as we can see, the prediction has come out to be likely. That means I'm almost on the verge of getting into definitely category and then marking as a burned out. Now, as a solution to this, maybe I can go and update my story points from 8 to 5 to see if the AI prediction is changed. Going back to Sprint Pulse again, it will gather the current data again. And now I'm falling under hardly likely category. On backend, we have used Python for model training and APIs. On frontend, we have used Forge UIKit for serverless application and Jira APIs. The app does not store any data on or outside Jira application, and everything is rendered real time. Thank you.